Everyone, today we're taking a look at the MHPOWOS folding solar panel. So a couple things I really like about this, and then we'll plug it in and see how it works. So first off, this is a 120 watt solar panel, and it folds up in multiple sections, so it's quite small. I mean, it's got a nice footprint, you know, it's a little on the thick side, but it's significantly easier to carry around than something that's just a single that's just a bifold. On the inside, we've got USB-C and two USB-A quick charge, a USB-C, and then a regular DC voltage output, which gives you this little octopus umbilical cord that has the connectors for pretty much any power station out there, including a XT60 and an Anderson connector. Now, if you notice, I pulled the jacket away from this because my power station, the Anderson polarity is reversed. So I was able to take this apart, rearrange the connectors, and put them back on. So you have a lot of flexibility here. You can charge USB devices like your phone, ham radio, flashlight, lantern, whatever, directly off of this with no power station in between. You could charge a little battery like this directly off of the solar panel with a charge controller in between, or you can charge pretty much any portable power station out there with one of the connectors. So we've got a lot of different options, which is pretty neat. On top of the fact that it's a nice tight size, makes it really attractive. So let's plug it in and see how it works. It is 12 o'clock on this very clear and very blue Tuesday afternoon in Texas. So here's the footprint of the 120 watt solar panel all opened up. Plug the little octopus thing into the DC output, and then we grab my power station. The glare is really bad, so we're at 71 watts, 80, 78. So we're hovering at 75 watts out of a 120 watt panel, so not quite 80 watts, if you can see that. Give me a little walk around. It doesn't get any more blue skies than that. Still sitting at 75 to 80 watts. All right. The station also comes with some USB cords and some carabiners, so that way you can clip it onto your backpack or tent or whatever to angle it as the sun moves and to get it up off the ground. So lots of flexibility, lots of options. I really dig that it's got all the connectors on it. Anderson, XT60, direct 12 volt output, all the plugs for all the various power stations you could possibly think of. So it's really the most universal panel I've seen in a long time. Like how small it folds up. You can easily kind of put it in a duffel bag or backpack and move it around. It's a little on the thick side, but that's what you get for it being 120 watts. The efficiency is a little on the low side for a 120 watt panel, but the pricing's pretty good. So there is the MHPOWOS folding solar panel. I got some links down below. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll catch you on the next one.